I'm at Spirit Hub in Lincolnwood, and we are talking to Angie Jackson from Grand Traverse Distillery. Let's make another drink. Let's stop talking. It's Bourbon Month.
Yes, and we are actually, because a lot of us missed the Kentucky Derby this year because of our unprecedented times, we're going to roll out, and I wore the fanciest hat that I could come up with from Michigan here off of this. So we're playing a little riff here. I made a ginger honey syrup.
Ooh.
Normally you would add regular simple syrup. And
People are playing around with simple syrup. I heard Mitch mentioned lavender earlier.
Absolutely. You know, so I source honey locally from Michigan. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this here, and we're going to put 1 mint sprig in the bottom, and we're just going to bruise that a little bit with just the end of your spoon, just to open it up just a little bit there. And what we're going to do is add half the bourbon right now. We're going to add 1 ounce.
1 ounce,
which is our straight bourbon out of Michigan.
I can smell the mint now. There we go.
Add that to the glass. And then we are going to add ice. Under normal circumstances, we would have crushed ice, you know, that if you're down at the Derby. But today, today we're going to deal with this. In COVID times, rules go out the window.
Because we're doing this at home, too.
Right, exactly. Whatever you've got.
Thank you, Angie. When we come back around town, I will tell you all about Spirit Hub here in Lincolnwood and how you can get these awesome spirits delivered to your door. I love this glass. Look at this.
Cheers to Spirit Hub.